Hyundai's second FCV is faster, lighter, safer and more efficient than its predecessor. An accomplished performer. An indication from Hyundai that, when it comes to the future of personal mobility, EVs may not have it all their own way. The Nexo is the brand's second commercially available hydrogen FCV, but the first built on a bespoke platform with a dedicated architecture. So compared with the X35 FCV, of which a handful were sold in the UK and a couple hundred globally, the physically bigger Nexo is faster, lighter, safer and crucially, substantially more efficient, durable and therefore appealing. Probably no cheaper though. Such is progress. So alongside developing its internal combustion, hybrid and battery electric technologies, Hyundai has been working on making hydrogen fuel cells commercially viable. The Nexo is part of this, a technological flagship for Hyundai's fuel cell technology, of which it hopes to sell several thousand units a year in select markets all over the world. It will come to Britain, in right-hand drive, unlike the X35, in 2019 for an as yet undisclosed sum. Its chief competitor, because it's the only other hydrogen-powered car available in the UK, is the Toyota Mirai. At 4,670 mm long and 1,860 mm wide, it's only a couple of centimeters shorter and narrower than the 7-seat Santa Fe SUV. And it has the look of an SUV,